This is our farm maintenance. This is Gauva fruit farms. This is all time for you for us. This farm that over there, the lemon farms there. Only Gauva farm or Gauva fruit, Gauva trees. This making around him to remove the weeds and scarify the soil, and like this. You see, the beautiful lady just making the ground and remove the weed, making the soil and apply fertilizer. See, cái ai muốn tình vậy? Now she hide the face. She's hide the face. She doesn't show her face because she's shy. Maintain like this. Okay, now she lasting when I choking here farm. This is Gauva farms. The lip. This is a fruit farm. This is a fruit, Gauva fruit. Just I cut some brand like this. Yeah, like this. This is farm. Happy working. They're making the farm like this. This is our maintaining every day, like daily work. Like this, we work not just a garden. We work with the farm as well. So this is farm fruit, but around the Gauva tree. We have many weeds should remove, but if we not remove on the ground, the farm, the Gauva is like this. See, this is not hazy and hazy. At least hazy. So should trim some brand like this. Okay. They are very hot, no rain. That's all there. We just making beating the bills. Okay. This is jackfruit around along the walkways. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching, and this is just only show the Gauva and the maintain Gauva trees. Thank you, bye bye. Hope you enjoy, and I postpone the post of it all long time, upload long time ago, so now this will more post in the video again. Thank you. Bye bye.